Hi, Dale here, and I wanted to introduce you to the new Zen Power Mastery app that we built. The app is available in any browser on any device. You have Zen Power resets organized by category. There are 5 key categories, and as you can see in the visual, you can access the categories on a tablet, a smartphone, desktop PC, whatever your technology of choice might be. So within the app, there are 5 key categories: mindset mastery, focus, flow, and peak performance, energy management, emotional intelligence, and mastering the Zen performance lifestyle. Now, once you get to the categories, you can select one, for example, mindset mastery and mental toughness. And you'll note here, there are 10 practices within each of these 5 categories. So there are 50 Zen reset practices in total. Within the mindset mastery and mental toughness category, there are 10 practices within that category, and you'll notice up here at the top the navigation will take you back to the categories. So let's select mental armor visualization, but you can select any of the 10 that best suits your current needs. For example, negative thought stop. You might need that. You'll also see over here on the right, you'll have an estimate of how long each practice takes. So within the category, select the best practice that meets your needs and review the selected practice. So once you click on the practice itself, you'll see the detailed instructions for how to implement your Zen Power Reset. And as I mentioned, navigation is included on each page of the app, and it's easy to access all 50 Zen Power Reset practices once you have access to the app. Now, I'd like to play a little video here that shows you how the app actually works. And so let's go through that. Again, this is the main screen. You'll see the 5 categories, and then you can select one, for example, mindset mastery and mental toughness. And as mentioned, you'll see 10 practices within that overall category. And depending on what you currently need or what your mindset might be, you can select one to start with to look at the actual practice itself. So let's look at the observer reset. And again, the estimate here at the top says it should take 2 to 3 minutes. And this is where you see the actual steps of the practice itself, giving you detailed instructions and steps to follow. Then when you click Start Practice, you'll go through the reset one step at a time, and you'll see the steps in that labeled area. If you need to, you can go back and look at the previous step, and then click through to the end. And again, up here at the top, navigation will take you back to the individual practices, back to the categories, and give you an opportunity to perhaps select something different. So let's look at energy management for a minute. And tension release, for example, again, walking through the individual practice, you'll see the detailed steps, and here at the bottom it says repeat 3 times. Then when you navigate back, you'll see the practices within each category, and eventually you can get back to the list of 5 categories as well. So that's a pretty good demonstration of how the actual app works. And as mentioned here at the bottom, it is available in any browser, anytime. So it's dependent on when you need it once you have access to the app itself. So the Zen Power Mastery app is available now. We're currently offering lifetime access for a one-time purchase. To get access to the app, all you have to do is go to app.zensforge.com. That's app.zensforge.com. And the app will be available when you need it in any browser, anytime.